Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix error code Marmot in Destiny 2. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the Steam and go to the library. And then after that guys, go to the application Destiny and right click on it and go ahead and click on properties. And then over here guys, just click on installed files. And from here guys, just click on verify integrity of game files. So guys, once it is done, you should be able to fix the problem. And the second option guys is click on browse. And then over here on the browse, you should have all of the files. But as of now, I don't have the application downloaded yet. But if you have, try to delete everything except for packages. And then after that, once you have deleted everything except for packages, you should go back to the Steam and then go ahead and click on verify integrity of game files. And guys, if this doesn't fix your issue as well, you should go to the start menu and then here just search for add and remove programs and just click on it guys. And then after that, search for Destiny. And guys, I told you I haven't downloaded the application. And as you can see, when you click on it, you will not have an advanced option. But let's say Cortana is the Destiny 2. So guys, let's click on advanced options. And then from here guys, if you scroll down, you will see here reset. And then from here, as you can see, if this app isn't working right, reset it and the app data will be deleted. So guys, this method should be able to fix your problem. And from there guys, you'll be able to fix the error code Marmot in Destiny 2. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See ya.